what actually happened is, right, this today we have a case with this bicycle which is where, you know, the grip will kind of like too loose. So one of the key suspect that we have is that the cable could have been, you know, seized. When the cable seized, what it means is that basically they are not able to pull the V-brake. This is what we call V-brake. They're not able to pull the handlebar of the V-brake effectively. Right? So what you're going to do is that first troubleshooting to check, of course, to check the brake pad. What we have found out is that the brake pad is enough, still can last. So the next thing that we needed to do is to make sure that you are able to tighten up this so-called this cable grip here. Always remember, wear your glove for safety purpose. Next thing that what we do is that we use our hand, push, make sure that the V-brake is actually tightened enough, not too tight because you do not want the V-brake to drop on the rim of the brake. Right? The next thing is that we will tighten the cable here using our Allen key. Hopefully with this we are able to so-called adjust the brake to effectively able to grip onto the rim. Right? This is one. The next thing is that we will test it out. Right? Make sure that the brake is not rubbing on. Okay. The wheel is able to turn. Brake. Okay, good. So now it should be good for now. But let us do further tests to confirm. In the meantime, I'm tightening the Allen key. Today we got a case. This case is where, you know, the child has already outgrown the bicycle. So the first thing is that we're going to remove the child seat behind, and the next thing we're going to remove is the basket in front. So this is a removal activity. There's one challenge with this bicycle is that this has, if you look into this, our friend has actually repainted it. And now in order to remove every nut that has been gone through a paint, it will be a pain.
Why?
Why? Because, you know, for every layer of the paint that you paint in, you actually kind of like tighten every of the nuts and the screw, making it tougher. Right? And then especially this type of paint is a spray paint. Like, usually you even touches all the cut set here. So let's see how it goes. The first mission is to see if I can remove these nuts here. Alright, let's get into a position. Alright, see if I can put it up. One, two. Okay. Nice. Luckily. Exert some strength and you're lucky. So, before you really paint a bicycle, sometimes it's good that you, well, either you seek a professional help or you remove as much as possible before you paint it. Right? We need to make sure that the screw is in position here, the nut is in position, the screw, then you screw it in. Right, hand tight first.
Okay. Okay. So我收實，我頂住。
頂住先啊！頂住先啊！我坐定先 ，OK 嗎 ？OK 嗎？
那你我說呢度
OK 啊，
冇用咗啦。
好啦，咁
攞曬啫嘛。
Okay.
Oh, you're tightening the seat itself now. Anything else? So handle centralized.
Yeah, centralized handle.
This brake down here.
Yeah, do the
Align.
new brake pad.
Correct.
Do brake pad.
And then the back
Then
tire.
align the brake center.
Ah,
Then now it's everything okay.
was there anything else?
No.
没有了。
没有了。
Okay, okay.
Straight, huh?
Yeah. Hey, ready. The guru, no, don't ask me to ask straight or left turn, right turn.
Because you come.
Yeah. You are the guru, no, you say straight, you say straight, you say wrong, you also say straight.
He brought me the day 33 kilometers. Go NUS.
NUS,
Buona Vista Road. Torture him.
Wow.
road. I drive car, I so feel tired, you know. You ride bicycle, worse.
The
I know.
the turn, the up and turn, and also NUS. They got so many slope, very steep slope inside.
3 or 4, right?
Yeah, 4, 5.
5.
5 plus.
I came back, that was on a Thursday. Friday I couldn't get up.
Legs all.
Yeah,
yeah.
Something
Very
like
far.
bicycle then tired we put a motor then you
Yeah, buy motorized one.